What if you can finally create amazing graphic designs without spending a dime? If that interests you, then I have good news for you. Presenting to you, Adobe Photoshop. Even if you are new to the world of design, it is easy to get started with Photoshop. From beginners to seasoned professionals, Photoshop has all the tools and features you need. It's simple to use and easy to understand. Photoshop can turn a beginner into an expert in no time at all. The more you get to use this software, the easier it gets to create high-quality designs without the need to hire a graphic designer. Photoshop is the #1 tool for anyone looking to create amazing graphic designs, and if you're not using it, then you're missing out big time. So that is why I created a step-by-step video series on how to use this powerful platform to grow your business to the next level. If this interests you, scroll down this page below to discover more about it and learn how I can help you get started fast.